In this video, I'm going to share how to delete all game data on Steam. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I will point out that this process works on any computer. The first thing you need to do is open your Steam, and log on the account that you want to delete all game data on Steam. After that, you will see that top left corner 5 options right here: Steam, View, Friend, Games, and Help. You need to click on Steam and come to Settings below Backup and Restore Games. Settings, you will come to Account, but the option that interests us is below Library Downloads. If you click on Downloads, you will see these options right here. You need to click on Steam Library Folders. You will open this page, and by here you can uninstall all apps that you have on Steam. So for example, if I want to uninstall Ark Survival, this app, I just need to mark right here and click on Install. If you want to delete all game data, you need to mark All Games right here. So mark on All Games and click Uninstall and wait until you delete all game data on your Steam, okay? And that's it, you deleted all game data on Steam. I hope I helped you all to delete all game data on Steam. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive us footsteps.